I have been passionate about cybersecurity since the age of 13. So the fascinations with the understanding how cyber attacks works and the strategies to protect oneself in the digital realm has been a driving force behind my decision to pursue a career in cybersecurity industry. These certifications play a crucial role in building my foundational skills. The comprehensive curriculum covered various cybersecurity domains, including ethical hacking, networking, forensics, security operations center, and threat intelligence. The hands-on labs and the real-world scenarios provided is kind of practical experience, which bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and its application in the field. Learning diverse cybersecurity domains early in one's career is really essential because it provides a holistic understanding on the field and allowing professionals to discover their specific interests and they're able to find their strength in those domains. So this breadth of knowledge is particularly valuable in entry-level roles where versatility is often required. So the 80 plus labs in CCT program were important, instrumental in solidifying my understanding of cybersecurity concepts. And because these labs simulate real-world scenarios, which enabling me to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical environment. So the hands-on experience gained from these labs enhanced my problem-solving skills and boosted my confidence in tackling cybersecurity challenges. Personally, I enjoy the labs which is related with ethical hacking and penetration testing labs the most. So this exercise allows me to explore vulnerabilities, develop strategies to mitigate the risk, and understand the mindset of malicious actors. So the practical applications of offensive security techniques was both challenging and rewarding for me. CTF-style challenges in the course significantly contribute to my learning curve. They hone my problem-solving abilities and also encouraging my creative thinking and provide a platform to apply knowledge in a dynamic environment. These challenges were pivotal in developing the skills needed for real-world cybersecurity scenarios. I'm pretty much neutral because CCT excel in balancing theoretical knowledge with practical applications. The program emphasizes hands-on experience through labs and exercises, ensuring that participants not only understood the concept but could also implement them. This technical focus distinguish CCT from other certifications that may lean more towards only theory. Yes, definitely. The CCT programs laid a solid foundations for advanced cybersecurity courses. So it provides a comprehensive understanding of various domains, giving me the confidence to pursue more specialized and advanced certifications in the future. Yes, I do. However, for entry-level certifications, which is I took from others vendors, they are more lean to theory, and I found out that CCT to be more hands-on and much practical. So the diversity of domains covered and emphasized on a real-world scenario set it apart, providing more immersive learning experience. The hands-on nature of the performance-based exam was my favorite part because it's required the applications of skill in a simulated environment, which is closely mirroring the challenges faced in the actual cybersecurity roles. This practical approach ensured that the certified professionals were well prepared for the real-world scenarios. My favorite features is the extensive lab environments where it provides spanning various of hands-on labs of the domain, which is reinforce the concepts and preparing for practical challenges in the field. For early career, CCT is definitely giving convictions to the employer and the employee, which is ensure them the person is competent. So there is a noticeable impact on the job offers and the salary rises. So the employers recognize the practical skills gained through the program, and the certification serve as a testament to my competence in the field. These recognitions kind of translated into not only increase the job opportunities, but also some of the salary advancement.